In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Vista update error. So let's get started. The first thing that we can do is to click on the start button and then go to settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on system. Scroll down and we can find the option that is troubleshoot. Click on that. Click on other troubleshooters and here we can find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So click the run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. This will help you detect and spot the issue. This will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So you just need to simply follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, so right here you can simply search for the specific issue that you are facing, or the Windows troubleshooter will ask you for the problem that you are experiencing. So simply follow the on-screen instructions. After running the Windows Update troubleshooter, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. The next thing that we can do is to right click at the start button and go to device manager. So here, simply locate for the drivers that has the yellow triangle icon. Let's say, for example, for the cameras, if the driver has a yellow triangle icon, right click and then go to update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list and then simply choose the driver that is listed in here and click on next. Close. So you just need to look for the cat or for the drivers that has a yellow triangle icon from here and simply update it. Then you can also check if you have sufficient disk space. So click on the start button, go to File Explorer, go to this PC. So check if you have enough disk space for the updates. Then if not, just simply type disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. And simply select all of these options for the files that we need to delete. The total amount of disk space will be stated from here and click on OK and click on delete files. Okay, so wait for this to be done. So once that is done, the next thing that we can do is to manually download the updates from the Microsoft Update Catalog. So open any browser. In the address bar, type Microsoft Update Catalog and hit enter. Click on it from www.catalog.update.microsoft.com. Then you will see the search bar. Simply type the latest date or the current date when you are going to download the update. So let's say, for example, today is June 24th. I'm going to type 6/24/2025. Click on the search button and you will find all the available updates. So simply download the updates from here by clicking on the download button. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.